Alright, let's break it down. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Lodgify, step by step, so you can get started with ease. Lodgify is a powerful tool created to help vacation rental owners like you manage your properties without the hassle. Whether you're a newbie or just need a refresher, I've got you covered with a quick and easy walkthrough of the basics. First things first, if you haven't set up your Lodgify account yet, trust me, it's a breeze to create an account, so just follow the steps. If you've already got one, just skip ahead. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the dashboard. This is your control center, where everything comes together. You'll notice there's a complete rental button right on the dashboard. Click it, and now you've got two choices: either copy a rental from Airbnb or start fresh by creating a new one. For this tutorial, we'll go with the second option and build a rental from scratch. Now that you're ready to get started, the first thing you'll need to do is give your rental a name. This should reflect the vibe and character of your space. For example, if you're renting out a rustic getaway cabin, something like Mountain View Retreat might be a great choice. You can get creative, or keep it simple, whatever fits your property best. There's also an option to include an internal name, which is perfect for keeping track of your listings if you manage multiple properties. This is more for your own organizational purposes, so don't worry too much about making it perfect. Once you've chosen your rental name, click Next to continue. The next step involves adding the location details of your property. This is important because it helps potential renters find your listing and know exactly where it's located. Start by selecting the country where your rental is located, then input the street address, city, and zip code. Be as specific as possible to avoid confusion later. If your property is located in a remote or hard-to-find area, you might want to add extra details or even directions to help guide guests. Once you've filled out all the necessary location information, hit Next, and you'll move on to the next phase of your listing process. Each step ensures your rental is accurately described and easy for potential guests to find, making it simple to get your property listed and ready to host. Here's where you can really showcase your property. Upload some beautiful photos that show your rental in its best light. You can always add more photos later on, so don't stress about getting it perfect right away. After entering your location details, Lodgify will prompt you to specify how many guests your rental can accommodate. Whether you're offering a cozy space for a solo traveler, a romantic getaway for two, or a larger family-friendly home, be sure to enter the number of guests your property can comfortably host. This will help potential renters know if your space suits their needs. Next, you'll need to set a price per night. Think about what makes your rental special, its location, amenities, and the experience it offers when determining the price. Once you've decided on the nightly rate, don't forget to select the currency in which you'll be charging. This step ensures your guests know exactly what to expect when booking. Now, Lodgify gives you an opportunity to provide a brief property description. This summary is key because it's one of the first things guests will see when they visit your listing. So, try to make it enticing and clear, highlighting the unique features of your space, whether it's a modern apartment with stunning city views or a peaceful countryside retreat. If you need to tweak it later, don't worry. You can always go back and update the description as your rental evolves. With a well-crafted summary, you'll make a lasting first impression. Now, it's time to decide how you want to manage your bookings. You have two options: instant booking or booking request. If you'd like more control over who books your property, choose booking request. With this option, you'll have the chance to review and approve each reservation before confirming it, allowing you to assess whether the guest is the right fit for your space. On the other hand, If you're ready for a more streamlined experience where bookings are automatically confirmed without any extra steps, instant booking is the way to go. It's perfect for hosts who prefer a hands-off approach and want to save time. After selecting your booking method, click Next to continue the process. From there, you'll be able to configure additional settings, like payment options, house rules, and availability. These small details can help ensure that everything runs smoothly for both you and your guests. Now that your rental is all set up, let's dive into the dashboard to help you get comfortable with where everything is. The dashboard is your central command center, where you can manage every aspect of your rental business with ease. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a navigation panel. If you don't see it, simply click the 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner to expand it. This panel contains all the essential tools you'll need to run your rental. The dashboard is divided into a few key sections that keep everything organized and easy to find. Account Setup Guide. This section helps you stay on track if you're just getting started. It'll guide you through the steps you need to complete to ensure your rental is ready to go. It's perfect for those who want a little extra guidance during setup. Reservations. Here's where the real action happens. You'll be able to view and manage all your bookings, including confirmed reservations, pending bookings, and quotes you've sent out. It's a great way to keep track of what's coming up and what still needs attention. Calendar. This is your personal booking schedule. In the calendar section, you can see your availability at a glance. You can view it in daily, multi-day, or 6-month formats, depending on how you prefer to manage your rental's availability. This calendar also highlights dates that are already booked, so you'll never double book a guest. With all these tools, managing your rental becomes straightforward, allowing you to focus on creating great experiences for your guests. Once you're in the reservations section of the dashboard, you'll find it super easy to keep track of all your bookings. The system separates them into 2 main categories: bookings with a quote and bookings without a quote. Bookings with a quote are the reservations where the guest has agreed to your terms, accepted the price you've set, and confirmed their stay. These bookings are considered official and locked in, so you can begin preparing for your guest's arrival. You'll be able to view all the important details, such as guest contact information, check-in and check-out times, and any special requests they might have made. On the other hand, bookings without a quote are still in the tentative stage. These are reservations where a guest has shown interest but hasn't finalized the booking yet. Maybe they're still waiting for confirmation, or they haven't fully accepted your price. These bookings give you the opportunity to follow up with the guest to confirm the reservation, adjust your pricing, or answer any remaining questions. In this section, you can also manage payments, which is a huge time saver. You'll see whether payments are pending, completed, or overdue. If there are any changes to a reservation, like a date adjustment or guest request, you can easily edit the booking details. In the inbox section, you'll be able to communicate directly with your guests. You can send messages, respond to booking confirmations, provide directions, and answer any guest questions, all from one centralized place. This makes it easy to stay in touch and maintain good communication with everyone who books your property. The inbox organizes your messages similarly to an email inbox, showing unread messages at the top and keeping everything in chronological order. You can even search for specific messages by guest name or booking ID, which is super helpful if you have a lot of bookings. Lodgify offers an entire suite of tools tailored for property managers, making it an excellent choice if you're overseeing multiple rentals. This set of features streamlines your workflow and ensures you can stay organized and on top of all aspects of managing your properties. You can create tasks, collaborate with your team, and efficiently handle finances, all from within the property management section of your dashboard. Task management. This tool is perfect for keeping everything organized. Whether it's preparing a property for a new guest, scheduling maintenance, or following up on inquiries, you can create tasks and assign them to specific team members. This way, everyone knows what they need to do and when, ensuring nothing falls through the cracks. You can also set deadlines and track progress to make sure tasks are completed on time. Lodgify simplifies your financial management by consolidating your rental income, expenses, and payments in one place. You can easily track what you've earned, record expenses like cleaning or maintenance fees, and keep tabs on payment statuses. This tool helps you get a clear picture of your property's financial health, making it easier to prepare for taxes or generate reports. By having all this information in one place, you can ensure guests have everything they need, reducing questions and potential issues. One of the standout features is its powerful website builder, which allows you to create a stunning, professional-looking website for your rental property. No coding skills required. Whether you're new to web design or just want a hassle-free solution, drag-and-drop interface makes it easy to set up and personalize your site. To begin, navigate to the Website Builder tab on your dashboard. You'll find a wide range of templates to choose from, each designed with various types of rental properties in mind. Select the one that best fits your property's style and layout, whether you're running a cozy apartment, a spacious house, or a beachfront villa. Once you've picked a template, you can fully customize it. Update your business name to match your branding, and upload a logo that represents your rental property. You can also change the colors of your site to match the tone and feel of your space, ensuring it aligns with your unique style. The font options allow you to choose something that fits your aesthetic, while the background image can be swapped to showcase your property, whether it's a scenic view or an interior shot that highlights your space's charm. The customization doesn't stop there. You can also adjust the layout of different sections, add or remove elements, and even integrate additional features like booking forms or guest testimonials. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, you can publish your website with a single click. It's that easy. Your rental's online presence is ready to go live, and you'll be all set to welcome guests to your beautifully showcased property. Lodgify has a reviews feature that lets you collect and display customer feedback directly on your website. Positive reviews help build trust with future guests, so don't forget to encourage past guests to leave reviews after their stay. You can manage and respond to reviews right from the dashboard. Also integrates with a variety of apps that can enhance your rental business. From booking management to analytics, there are third-party apps you can install directly through Apps section. This is a great way to extend the functionality of the platform and improve your business operations. The Reports section gives you insights into your rental business performance. You can access daily management reports and transaction summaries to track how your business is doing. This data can help you make informed decisions and optimize your business for better results. The Settings tab gives you complete control over how your rental property is managed. In this section, you can customize and adjust several key aspects of your rental process to make sure everything runs smoothly. For starters, you can set up your payment methods, including adding options for credit cards or other forms of payment, and create payment policies that align with your preferences. This is also where you can configure taxes and fees for your property to ensure the right charges are applied. One of the most helpful features in the Settings tab is the ability to automate communication. You can customize automatic responses for things like booking confirmations, reminders, and cancellations, which will save you time and ensure guests always have the right information when they need it. Additionally, this section allows you to manage your rental rates and configure special promotions, like discounts for extended stays or last-minute bookings. You can also set up add-ons, such as offering guests optional extras like early check-ins or cleaning services. By adjusting these settings, you can tailor it to fit your exact needs and streamline your rental management process. Whether you're handling payments, communication, or booking details, you'll have everything you need to ensure your rental business is running smoothly and efficiently.